Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to teach you 6th standard CBSE board maths first lesson knowing our numbers. In that, we are going to see ascending and descending. This is very simple topic, but just we have to understand it. So I request you to watch my full video. So if you have any confusion or doubt in ascending and descending, your doubt and your confusion definitely clear. So let's start the video. So let's start. Here we have one exercise. Stand in proper order. So here they have given us the questions which we have to find their answers. So let's see first question. Who is the tallest? And our second question is who is the shortest? And they have given A and B. So one question is, can you arrange them in the increasing order of their heights? And B question is, can you arrange them in the decreasing order of their heights? Now we will find the answers. So we have Ramhari, which is 160 centimeter, and Dolly 154 centimeter, Mohan, which is 158 centimeter, and Sashi, which is 159 centimeter. So here we have to find the who is the tallest among them. So here one simple way is there. So here we want to see the places digits, means we have three numbers, so 100, tens and ones. In that, at 100 place, we have 1 in all the numbers. So we will see in the tens place. So in the tens place, we have 6, 5, 5 and 5. So here we can simply say the 6 is biggest among them. So Ramhari is the tallest among themselves and he is 160 centimeter. So this is very simple way that we have to see the numbers of the places. So let the number be very big. It would be the million, billion or any number which is bigger. So if you get any confusion that how to find the smallest or the tallest, so simple way to see the digits. So first number you have to see. If they've asked to tallest, so see which among them is the bigger number. Let be the number very big, but only you have to see the digits which have in that whole number. So which is the biggest or which is the smallest. This is a simple way to find biggest or the smallest numbers. So in second they have asked who is the shortest. Shortest means the smallest. So as we seen in the before question, Ramhari is the tallest. So we don't have to see his height because he is the tallest among them. So the three are left, that Dolly, Mohan and Sashi. So we will see heights of them three. So Dolly is 154 centimeter and Mohan is the 158 and Sashi is the 159. So as we have seen before, we have to see the places numbers. So here also we have to see the places numbers. So in 3 we have 111. So we have to see second, means tens place. So in tens place also we have the same number 5. So now we will see the ones place. In ones place we have 4, 8 and 9. So it is simple to find that 4 is the smallest among them. So Dolly, which is 154 centimeter, is the shortest among them. So now we have a question. Can you arrange them in the increasing order of their heights? So in this A and B questions, we got a new words for ascending and descending. So, increasing means ascending and decreasing means descending. A simple way to keep in mind that descending starts from D and decreasing starts from D. So, decreasing it's D and D. So, which starts from D, it is descending. And if you have keep in mind that decreasing is equal to descending, so you can find that increasing means ascending. So we have to arrange their heights in ascending order. So in ascending order, their heights will be like this: Dolly, which is 154 centimeter, Mohan, which is 158 centimeter, Sashi, which is 159 centimeter, and Ramhari, which is 160 centimeter. And in second question, they have asked us to arrange them in decreasing order, means in descending order. So, of course, in descending order, it will be the opposite of the ascending order. Means, first there will be Ramhari, then Sashi, then Mohan, and then last Dolly. So, in this, we have seen the trick to find the smallest and the tallest, and we have get the new words to ascending and descending, that is increasing for ascending and decreasing for descending. So now we will see next question: which to buy? Sohan and Rita went to buy an almiras. There were many almiras available with their price tags. So now they have asked us, can you arrange their prices in increasing order? So as before we have seen, increasing word is for ascending order. So here we have to arrange their prices in ascending order. So in ascending order there will be like this: 1788 first, which is fourth almiras, and second will be the 1897, which is second almira, and third will be 2635, which is first almira, and fourth will be 2854, which is third almira, and fifth will be 3975, which is fifth almira. So like this we have arranged all the prices of almiras in ascending order. So in second question they have asked us to arrange their prices in decreasing order. So as we have seen before, the decreasing word is used for descending order. So now we have arranged the prices in descending order. So in ascending order, how we have arranged it? Simply the opposite of it we have arranged, and if we arrange opposite of it, we will get that in descending order. So in descending order, it will be like this: 3975 will be the first, 2854 that will be the second, 2635 that will be the third, 1897 that will be the fourth, and in last 1788. So now if we will write it in opposite order, we will get in ascending order. So here we have finished these questions. So in down you can see they have given the definition of ascending and the descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arrangement from the smallest to the greatest. Means if they have given the numbers and we have to find the smallest number and then bigger than bigger than bigger than that. So that will be the ascending order. And now descending order. Descending order means arrangement from the greatest to the smallest. Means if they have given the numbers, first we have to find the bigger number, then the smaller than that and smaller than that. So here simply we have seen two questions on ascending or descending. May first is which is smallest or the tallest and how to find it, and second is to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. So this was very simple. So now we will move on. So see, here we have next exercise. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? So they have said us to find the greatest and the smallest number in each row, and one is done for us. So how they have written the greatest and the smallest number, like that way we have to do the next else. So second one we will see. So as before I have said you, we have to see the places digits. So we have to see first digit of all the numbers. So we can say that by saying the 8 is the biggest number. So 89,423 is the greatest and 100 is the smallest among them. So third one, like this only we have to do. We have to see the first digit of all the numbers. So we can say the 7 is the greatest among them. So 75,284 is the greatest and 111 is the smallest among them. So now fourth one we will see. We have to use that way only. We have to see the first digit of all the numbers. So we can say the 9 is the greatest. So 9999 is the greatest and 124 is the smallest number among them. So here we have finished. I think I have explained ascending and descending order very nicely, and in this we have seen how to recognize the tallest or the smallest number, but just we have to see the places digits and how to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order. And we have got two new words for ascending and descending. One word is for ascending, that is increasing, and second word for descending, that is decreasing. So but then also if you have some doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you friends watching our full video, and if you understand ascending and descending order nicely, so please give one like to our video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so subscribe our channel for getting like this new educational video. So bye friends, meet you in next video with something nice, interesting topics.